Hello students, this is the another video of the chapter Natural Resources of class 9 biology, and in the earlier video we had discussed about the topic water, and in it we had studied about the importance of water for the human life. Now we will discuss about the importance of water for the plant's life. So as you know, water is very important for the existence of life. So plants are also living beings, so they also need water for the existence and for the survival. So water is very essential for the survival and growth of plants. It is important for plants in the following ways. How is it important for the plants? So the first important thing is that seeds germinate in the presence of water. As you know, the germination of the seeds happens only in the presence of water. If water will be absent, the germination will not proceed and the seed will not grow up into the plants. So this is very important for initiation the reactions inside the embryo of the seed to germinate into the baby plants. Now, water helps in the growth of plants. Water is also very necessary for the growth of plants. As you know, without water the plants cannot grow, and the lots of reactions that take place in the presence of water, they will not be able to proceed, and it will cause the retardness in the growth of the plants. That's why we need to give water to the plants for the good growth. Now, plants manufacture their food by the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and a green pigment called chlorophyll. As you know, plants are the autotrophs. They make their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide and water. Without water, the photosynthesis cannot proceed, and that's why here you can see in the equation of photosynthesis, this is the water, and when the water combines with carbon dioxide, then glucose is formed, that is the food of the plants, and a byproduct oxygen is liberated. So without water the photosynthesis cannot take place, the food cannot be manufactured by the plants. So it is very necessary. As you know, the first of all the plants produce the food, and then all the organisms take it and survive. So if the plants will not be able to have water, then everything will be disturbed. Now, water dissolves the nutrients present in the soil, which is then transported to the various parts of the plants. Lots of nutrients, they move into the body of the plants via water. Lots of nutrients present in the soil, they dissolve into the water, and with water they get transported into the various part of the plant. So water act as a vehicle to transport the nutrients and other materials into the body of the plants. Now, water provides a medium for the transportation of food and mineral within the plants. Okay, as I said, the water acts as a vehicle, acts as a medium to transport the food as well as minerals within the plant's body. So here it is very important for the transportation of the nutrients, minerals, and other food stuffs. Now, water also helps in maintenance of the plant structure by providing appropriate pressure to the plant tissues. This is very important function of the water maintain the plant structure. As you know, the cell becomes turgid because of the presence of water in it, because of the osmotic pressure caused by the presence of water inside the cell. So this is very important. The shape of the cell of the plant is maintained by the pressure caused by the presence of the water inside the cell. So this is the another very important role of the water in the plant's body. They maintain the internal pressure of the cell to give the particular shape to the cell. So this is all about the importance of water for the plant's life. Now we will talk about water as a solvent. As you know, the water is a very good solvent. It dissolves so many things, and it is regarded as a universal solvent. Okay, following are the important properties of water which makes it an excellent solvent. Water is cheap and easily available. It is very cheap. It is available everywhere. So that's how it is very easily available resource as a solvent to dissolve so many things. Water is a poor molecule. It is therefore a very good solvent for ionic compounds. This molecules, the molecule of the water, they can dissolve the ionic compounds very easily. Now, water has a high dielectric constant, because of which the force between charged particles becomes so small that the charged particles separate easily and go into solution. The dielectric constant of the water is very low, very small, so that the charged particle can separate the molecules of water. Okay, they will separate it, and then the other molecules can easily dissolve in it. Now, water can form hydrogen bonds with other polar molecules. Water, because you know that there is hydrogen bond between the atoms of the oxygen and hydrogen. So the hydrogen with water can make hydrogen bond with the other polar molecules, and it can easily dissolve the other particles into it. So these are the characteristic which makes water as a good solvent. So this is all about for this video, and in the next video we will talk about the water pollution. So thank you.